Firstly, we write down the general expression of a quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We should note that a and b are coefficients of x squared and x respectively, and c is a constant. After doing so, our next step is we factor out a, and here we have x squared plus b over a x plus c over a is equal to 0. Since this equation, on the left hand side, we have a multiplying this bracket. It means we can multiply both sides, the left hand and the right hand side, with 1 over a. The effect is to cancel out a, this side, and yet remains 0 because any number multiplied by 0 is 0. To mean we now have x squared plus b over a x plus c over a is equal to 0. Now our aim, in order to derive the quadratic formula, which is x is equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, we need to make x the subject of formula. So all terms in x on the left hand side, x squared plus b over ax is equal to this c over a crosses over the equal sign to become minus c over a. This is the most crucial step which we are going to do now. What we do now is we are going to add half of the coefficient of x squared and immediately subtract half of the coefficient of x squared so as to maintain the value of the equation minus c over a. Take note, the coefficient of x is b over a. So it's half of the coefficient of x, which is half of b over a, b over 2a squared. We add it on the left hand side and we immediately subtract it. Okay, the first three terms on the left hand side become a perfect square. X plus b over 2a squared minus, let us simplify here, so it's b squared over 4a squared is equal to minus c over a. Again, let us arrange like terms in x plus b over 2a squared is now equal to b squared over 4ac, the crossover, subtracting c over a. What do we do if we want to remove this square? We introduce the square root. But before we do that, let us simplify the right hand side. So here it's x plus b over 2a squared is equal to, the common denominator here, it's obviously 4a squared. 4a squared into 4a squared is 1. 1 times b squared is b squared. Minus a into 4a squared, it's 4a. Then times c, that's 4ac. We need to remove this square, we introduce the square root. But in order to balance the equation, we also introduce it on the right hand side. So at the left hand side, we have b over x over b, x plus b over 2a, which is equal to plus or minus the square root of b squared over 4ac over the square root of 4a squared. Now x plus b over 2a is equal to plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. The square root of 4a squared, of course, is 2a. Now, let us make x subject to formula. So x is equal to, here it's now minus b over 2a plus or minus the square root of the discriminant b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now, since the denominators are the same, this means that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And we can safely say derive, because x equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a is the quadratic formula.